The next thing we're going to look at are the map titles. So if we go across here and click map titles, you can see there are two options. The title of the map, which is only viewable in print view. You can see it's up here. It says UK district map. My smashing map design. And then set the legend title, which is the title that appears up here. I can change that to zone names, and that will appear up there. So in design view you can't see the map title, but when you save a final PDF it will appear. Now if you want to change the colors of the title, go to map colors, map title text, click in the colored box and select the color that you want. So if we select that, and then the map border, which is the frame around the outside of the map, we can change that as well. The title background, we'll change that to something like that, and we can really mess things up if we want. Anyway, that's it for the map titles. I almost forgot, if you want to set things back to how they were initially, just click default colors and everything will go back to start.